Hey, welcome back to my channel, it's Mascara, and today I've got a whole new face of makeup, nearly a full face of makeup to play with, because I ordered some new stuff from the XXRevolution stuff because I just couldn't not, because it just looks so good. I've seen lots of really good reviews on it because it's Skin X makeup apparently. So I have the Glow Skin Fauxxdation, which is a luminous foundation. I have a Hydra Fixx primer and a new concealer. They also sent me some more goodies, so I've got a brush which I'm never going to use because I don't like stippling brushes, so I'm probably going to give this away in a giveaway at some point. And I've got a lipstick which looks like this. It's quite a dark one. I wouldn't normally buy that much of a dark lipstick, but let's go with it. I have one of their jelly highlighters. I used one of these before, I didn't like it, but I'm willing to give it a go again. I have a unicorn eyeshadow palette which is right up my street with the pinks and purples and all that jazz. Sorry. And then I have the golden bar from XXRevolution as well. I haven't used this one before. I used a few of theirs, but this is all new. Everything else is my normal stuff because I can't afford to just keep buying full faces of makeup. As you can tell, it's a bit of a colder day, which is why I got a jumper, long sleeve t-shirt and coffee. As you can tell, the coffee is already kicking in a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this primer first because I've currently got a bit of moisturiser on my face, if that. And yes, my skin is having a delightful breakout day. So can I get into this packaging? If not, I've got tweezers. There we go. So this is what the Hydra Fixx primer looks like. It is blue. It has got a little pump on it, which is nice. What does it look like when it comes out? It's a bit of a clear gel. I'm hoping you can see that. As usual, sorry for the lighting situation. Ooh, that feels really nice. Also, if this stuff is any good, I will probably be buying even more of this stuff because the reviews online are amazing. And it's on 3 for 2 on Boots at the moment. Okay, that feels really nice though. Okay, so that has left my face incredibly tacky. And I really like that. I mean, if it sits well in my foundation, even better, but it's got a little pump, it's really nice, it's fairly cheap. It's not like normal Revolution cheap, but it is skincare as well, so gotta give it some credit. So I got the Skin Glow Fauxxdation, the luminous foundation in FX1, which is shade 1, which is what I was in the other foundations when I bought them. And because I was eyeballing this on the website, I was hoping I'd pick the right shade. It's got a duochrome lid, which is really cool. It's got tempered, or whatever it's called, glass. You can see where it's been lined in the box. Because this came in the post when I got back from doing my weekly shop. So I'm going to give this a bit of a shake. You can see this looks a little bit light, maybe. But I prefer to go a bit light and a bit dark. I'm going to get this concealer out as well, which I also got in FX1. CX03, apparently I bought a lighter shade, sounds about right. Doesn't want to come out. This is meant to be an anti-crease super fix concealer. It's in a very similar packaging. It's got the same black lid as the other foundation, which I thought would be a bit too dry for me because it looked really dry on everybody else who tried it. Also, I'm not sure if you can see it, it's got XXRevolution stamped on, well, on the top. This feels really, really pricey. Gotta say, it smells nice as well. You like my cat stripe? So I'm gonna get my normal sponge, which is, I think it's Juno ink I use. I'm just gonna bounce this in. Okay, that is pretty damn full coverage. Okay, so colour match is pretty good. I thought it'd be a bit darker. I'm gonna see if it oxidizes and all that. But that is a really nice foundation. Normally with foundation I have to like double layer it or something because it just doesn't. But this is blending in to everything. Covering everything, like my weird rashes on my face from eating cheese because I forgot to order a Big Mac without cheese. But damn, that's good. I'm gonna do a wear test on this. So yeah, this is, you know what next week's video is gonna be. Let's have a look at this concealer. I think this has a really weird foot on it. you'll understand what I mean. That is a shoe. That is an actual foot. But this claims to be creaseless and all that jazz, so... Gotta say, because of the shape of it, it does get into everywhere you want it to, so it is working quite well. Again, that blends out really easily. As long as you work fast, because I have heard it sets pretty quickly. I'm gonna add a little bit more under this eye. Just a... Okay, that is annoying, because when you pull it out, because it's such a tight fit, it does spit a little bit of stuff. That is my only criticism of it, is you need to make the thing a little bit less tight. So next I'm going to have a go with this jelly highlighter, which I haven't got the plastic off yet, which I probably should have. Oh well. And if the lighting starts looking a bit cracked, it is because it is raining out, or it has been raining out. Okay, this is a proper jelly and the thing has got stuck, so there's a little seal that sits on top. Look at this. So that is a proper jelly highlighter. So I'm going to take a little bit on my sponge. There we go. And I'm going to see if this... Okay, that is a little bit dark for me, I think. You know, I can just about make that work. Just. It is a nice highlighter. To do it like this, it isn't taking my foundation off, which is something which it did do last time when I applied it over powder, which is why I'm doing it like this. This is not as blinding as some of the highlighters are by Revolution, but it is a nice little highlight. Hoping you can see that bit of glue on my skin. So, it does work before powder. I'm gonna see what it's like after powder. It's not a new powder, sorry. So for that I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever powder, which is what I like to use quite a lot. Not sure if you can still get it in the UK, but I really like it. It's the Ultra HD powder, so it leaves a bit of a glow afterwards. Okay, so my base completely set. There's still a little bit of glow where that highlighter is, but there's not much. It's set down nicely, which is something. But unless you're into your subtle highlights, it doesn't really do very much, honestly. So I'm going to do my quick normal bronzer and blush using. So I've got my Butter bronzer and my Kiko blush, the Greenly blush. I'm just going to stick these two on. And then for my brows I've got my ABH brow gel and my Revolution pencil. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this little unicorn palette because it just looks adorable. And the last time I used Revolution, I really didn't like them. I don't think. I didn't like their old, their little unicorn and their dragon eyeshadow things. It looks about that big. And they just smell of violin resin. So I'm going to use this lovely palette because it is adorable. There are 4 mattes and 5 shimmers, I believe. So I'm going to start off by going in with this centre one here, this little pink. They do not have names. It is like a kind of peachy pinky colour. Put that on my brush and see where we go. Okay, this brush still got purple on it. This brush has still got purple on it. This is a problem with using lilac. Because that's not really showing up on my skin tone. I mean, it makes a nice little base. Then I'm gonna go in and go, I'm gonna go with this pink colour down here, kind of a hot pinky purpley colour. I'm going with this carefully, or not. I'm just gonna load my brush up and go ham. Because it's not that pigmented, which is kind of nice. Then I'm going to use this darker pinky purple colour in the corner to see if I can actually deepen this up, because this is not that pigmented at the moment. And sod it, I may as well use the 4th one, which is this kind of lilac-y purpley colour. I'm going to see what this can do in the crease, which is not very much. Then I'm going to get a nice little flattish brush, this one will do, and I'm going to run that little purple colour, that lilac-y colour, along my lower lash line. These are not pigmented in the slightest. It's a bit more of a pinky shade that I'm going to blend the edges out a little bit more. Create a nice blown out look, you know. Then I'm going to get a nice little flat brush. With a bit of that concealer, and I'm just going to create a cut crease. Hopefully this lighting's a little bit better, so I'm going to go in with this purpley bluey shade in the middle, at the bottom. I'm going to go back in with the pinks. I'm just going to run this to my crease to kind of blend it together. Get rid of any harsh edges, that kind of thing. I'm also going to go with a bit of this dark purple in the corner. It's kind of a shimmery colour. I don't know how well it's going to apply. It doesn't seem to be particularly willing to go on my brush. I'm going to just kind of plop that on the outer corner. I kind of like how it worked, but I've also got other palettes that I use quite a lot more regularly that do exactly the same thing and a lot more pigmented, let's be real. This does require quite a bit of work, so I don't know how much. I think they're about £5, so on a budget, probably worth it. But I have so much makeup that I don't know if I'd ever actually use this again. What I am gonna do is take this silver in the corner here, put this on my little pencil brush. I'm gonna stick this in the corner. I'm going to stick some mascara on, some eyeliner. I'm not going to stick any eyeliner on today actually. Get some better highlighter and I'll be back right with you. So last but not least, I have this lipstick by Revolution Pro, which is called the Pro Supreme Lipstick. I have it in Venture. Kind of a dark nudie, reddy, browny colour. Gotta say, it doesn't go with the rest of the look, but oh well. So it feels nice. Doesn't let's see. Doesn't transfer too much. Feels nice. Okay, harsh. Transferred a little bit there, but it will. So what do I think so far? I like the foundation, I like the primer, I like the concealer. I'm not the biggest fan of the eyeshadow palette, though it is pretty. I'm just not the biggest fan. Highlighter is not the best, but it's not the worst. If you use it before you set your foundation, it is pretty good. I think that's it for new things. These two, I really like the combination. My skin does look really nice. I'll see how it wears in the wear test next week, but let me know your thoughts down below, any videos you would like, and yes. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe if you are new here. If you haven't yet liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I would hugely appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again on Tuesday for the next video. Bye!